Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Vista in VirtualBox using your installation DVD. So if you're like, I want to install Windows Vista in VirtualBox, but I have an installation DVD, but I'm installing it on my actual computer. Can I install it in VirtualBox? Well, yes you can, so I will be showing you how. So the first thing we got to do is, of course, make the virtual console. So go ahead and fire up VirtualBox. If you don't have it, then you can just download it right off the internet. So click on New. Now, name it Windows Vista. Well, you can name it whatever you want, but I recommend naming it Windows Vista. And this is really important, so choose the amount of bits whatever your disk is. So if you have a 32-bit disk, then click 32 bits. But if it's a 64-bit disk, then click 64-bit. But I have a 32-bit disk, so I'm going to click 32-bit. Click Next. So 5 and 12 megabytes, just leave it at that. Click create a virtual hard disk now, create. Click Next. Make sure it says it dynamically allocated. It'll be at 25 gigabytes. And boom, we have the virtual console created. So the next thing we're gonna do is put in our disk in our computer. So go ahead and get out your disk and put it in your computer. Okay, so once the disk is in your computer, you're gonna go to Settings, then go to Storage. You're gonna get a notification. So click on Empty, click on this blue icon here, then click Host Drive G, or whatever your DVD drive is called. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna leave it at that. Then click OK. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna fire up the machine. So just click on the power button or start over here. It's gonna load the files. Sorry if my DVD drive's a little noisy. Okay, so now we're at this screen, so make sure it's set to what language you speak, what country you're from, and what keyword you use. Once you've done that, click Next, then click Install Now. Now right here, if you want to go ahead and enter your product key, you can do that, but if you don't want to enter your product key now, just click Next, and then click No. That's what I'm going to do. Then choose which version your disk has. So for example, I'm using Windows Vista Business, so I'm going to click Business and select this box here and click Next. I accept the license terms, click that, then Next. Click Custom. This is the virtual hard disk, so click Next. And then it's gonna go through the installation process. So I'll be right back when we get to the out-of-box experience. Okay, so after it's done doing its thing, it should be at this screen by now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna type your username. I'm gonna put my name and type in your password. and then you can type a password in if you want. And to pick a profile picture, I'll take the kitten one because I like cats. And pick a name, pick a computer name. I'll just put Vista VM. And then choose a background. I like this one. Use recommended settings. Then choose your time zone. I am in Central Time. That time is not right. I need to fix that. Hold on. Okay. Then choose whatever location you want. I'm doing home. Look at this screen, thank you. And click start. We are now at the out-of-box experience in Windows Vista. I like this part. Alright, so it is currently finished, so we should be... There it is. So log in. Sorry, I got it wrong. And then it's going to take a bit to prepare your desktop. There it is. So now that you're on the desktop, we're going to install the guest editions, which is the final thing we're going to do. So, go down here, click on devices, optical drives, choose disk image. I recommend using VirtualBox guest edition 6.1.0. I click open, start menu, click computer, then put this, allow, close that, next, install. Install the Sharp software anyway. Click this again. Then click finish. Then restart. Type your password again. And then, if you want a bigger resolution, go to Personalize, Display Settings, turn your resolution all the way up. Yes. And then boom, that is how you install Windows Vista and VirtualBox with an actual installation DVD. Thank you for watching, and see you later.